Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is only lasting around 5 minutes, you are likely experiencing battery issues. This could be due to the battery's natural degradation over time or possibly a fault within the battery itself. If left unresolved, your device may become unusable, leading to frustration and wasted money on repairs or replacements. To tackle this, we will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery specifically designed for the Dyson V8, and a soft cloth to protect your work surface. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is unplugged and turned off. Lay it on a flat surface, preferably covered with a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 3 screws that need to be taken out. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to reveal the internal components. The battery is often located toward the bottom of the device, and it is usually secured with another couple of screws. Locate these screws and carefully remove them with your screwdriver. When you have extracted the screws, gently lift the battery out, being cautious of any attached cables. It's crucial to handle these cables with care to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and position it in the same place as the old one. Ensure that the connectors align properly and push it down gently into place. Replace the screws that you previously removed to secure the battery. Once the screws are tightened, reassemble the casing by aligning it carefully and pressing it back together until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back to secure the casing. Give your Dyson V8 a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should now find that it operates much longer without interruption. To prevent battery issues in the future, try to avoid completely draining the battery before recharging and ensure that you store your Dyson in a cool, dry place when not in use. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the lifespan of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.